Okay, our story or our book, Sparks keeps calling nonfiction stories. Our book for this week is called What Do People Do in Fall? And yesterday we talked about how we can make a prediction using our title, our headings, and our photographs. And we know that sometimes our predictions are not going to be correct, and that's okay. We can confirm saying that they were right, but we can also say that they weren't correct. I'm going to read through this book, and I want you to think about our 5 W's, our who, what, when, where, and why. And I want you to think of what question could you have after reading this book? So a question that can be answered from the text that we read. So that can be found in the book. So thinking about that as I read through. Fall changes. What happens in fall? It gets colder. Days get shorter. Maybe what changes in the fall could be a good question. Leaves change color in fall. People take walks. They look at leaves. Why do people take walks? Because they want to look at the fall leaves. Let's keep going. Leaves fall. People rake them into piles. Ben plays in fallen leaves. Harvest, our heading right here. People harvest apples in fall. Liz picks apples to make apple pie. We can also use our photographs to help us understand what our key words are, or words that we don't know. Pumpkins, or people harvest pumpkins in fall. Tate takes pumpkins home to carve. School. Students go back to school in fall. Max meets new friends. Holidays. Fall has fun holidays. People celebrate Halloween. They wear costumes. So what holidays are celebrated in fall? Oh, there are a couple. People enjoy Thanksgiving. They eat and give thanks together. One of my questions, why do we celebrate Thanksgiving? Warm clothes. Gwen takes out warm clothes in fall. Winter is on its way. Why does Gwen take out warm clothes? That could be another question. So think about that question that you have about our book, because we're going to come up with 5 questions together, and then you're going to come up with questions on your own.